Hi guys, my name is Ayan and I'm going to talk about fidget spinners. So, this one is like a fidget spinner. It was a normal fidget spinner, but me and my brother broke the side so it can become into a automatic fidget spinner. And for this one I like very much because it's like keep on going speed and speed and speed and speed. Even I like this because it glows in the dark. I'll show you. Hey guys, let me do something. So guys, this is why I like it, because it glows in the dark like this. So let's see which one wins. Okay guys, this one or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, bye guys, I'll show you. Okay, this one lost, this one lost also, this one lost. These two are still spinning. Let's see which one wins. I'm giving them one more spin. I'm giving these ones which has lost one spin, because let's see which one wins. Okay, these two. Okay, the violet one is still on the loose. Now it's gonna be not on the loose. Now these two. Let's see which one wins. I think this one is going to win. I think this one is winning. Yes! This one is the winner! I knew it! Let's make it one more time. This time lots of spins. Only these two. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you off in Saturday. Bye guys.